Buying and selling steel and alloy new Takeoff, reconditioned, used and replica wheels is what we do, and we do it well. However, even with one of the largest original equipment wheel inventories in the USA, it's really the people that count. Excellent employees working with valued vendors are what make for more than satisfied customers, and every day we strive to fulfill the responsibilities that make a company great. Our founder sold his first OEM wheel in 1975 at his father's tire store in Montebello, California, and it was there that he learned our people first concept. In 1987, he started Used Rim Incorporated in nearby Pico Rivera, and 1-800EveryRim OEM Wheels was launched in 2007. We grew quickly on our own and continued growing through the acquisition of some legendary companies and the valued individuals who have joined us. It has been an honor to join with our former competitors while being entrusted with serving their customers. So now we proudly lay claim to having over 150 years of combined OEM wheel experience and a whole lot of good people. Whether you call 1-800-EveryRim, use our wholesale site at everyrim.com, or text a picture to 951-RIM-TEXT, you won't make a mistake. Matching an OEM wheel is tough stuff, and so we're not just simple order takers. Knowing where the pitfalls lie and making you aware of them are essential parts of the way we do business. Anyone can take an order, but we know how to fill that order. We will not let you make a mistake. What makes our OEM wheel service unique? Yes, we offer reconditioned wheels, but we also stock Takeoff wheels. Some customers don't need a wheel that may be too bright and shiny on an older car, and not to mention more expensive. We use a grading scale which describes wheels from new to well-worn. For instance, our B grade wheel, while having a minor scratch or two, is just fine in many cases and of course is still a straight serviceable wheel and at the right price. By providing wheels in a variety of conditions, we service every customer's need. And each wheel is twice inspected for condition and trueness. When you order from 1-800-EveryRim OEM Wheels, you know we'll ship the right wheel with no surprises. We make selling your Takeoff wheels to us easy as well. Don't make it an endless project that never gets done. Simply gather a batch of different wheels, place them in a group, and send us a picture. You don't even need to identify them because we already know what they are. You can send pictures to 951-RIM-TEXT or sales@1800everyrim.com. Of course, if you have a list, we can work with that too. All in all, we make both buying and selling OEM wheels a simple matter. And why? It's the people.